Guys, I just ran to the car. We were in the movies watching the Haunted Mansion, and holy moly, it was nice and sunny, but now it's like super freaking rainy, and I'm going to get the kids. Anyway, let me turn this around. And there they are, kind of standing at the edge of the building because it's blocking the rain, and I'm driving up where I'm not supposed to, but I'm doing it anyways. Hurry, hurry. Here, give me the bucket. Give me the napkins. They're probably all soaking wet. All right, come on. Hurry, hurry. Oh my God. Well, you're not as wet as I am, but how'd you enjoy the movie, Nick?
Good.
Good.
Good to come out over.
Hear that? Oh my gosh. It's thundering and lightning. And,
That's your message.
yeah, stuff needed. Anyway. This is crazy.
Well.
Alright, well, now we're gonna go grab a bite to eat because all we had was popcorn. Seatbelt. Anyway, I'll try and go live when I get home, but it's gonna be late, so hopefully we will see you. Bye.